Causes of engine misfire in Mercedes, V6, V8, V12. 1. Ignition system issues. Spark plugs. Worn or fouled spark plugs can cause incomplete combustion. Ignition coils. Faulty coils can fail to deliver the proper spark. Spark plug wires. Damaged or worn wires can interrupt the spark. 2. Fuel system problems. Fuel injectors. Dirty or faulty injectors can cause uneven fuel delivery. Fuel filters. Clogged filters can restrict fuel flow. Fuel pump. A failing pump can lead to inconsistent fuel supply. 3. Air intake issues. Mass airflow sensor. A dirty or faulty sensor can cause incorrect air-fuel mixture. Air filters. Clogged air filters can restrict airflow. Intake manifold. Leaks can lead to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. For engine sensors and electronics. Oxygen sensors. Faulty sensors can cause incorrect fuel mixture. Engine control unit, ECU. Software glitches or faulty sensors connected to the ECU can cause misfires. 5. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the vacuum system can lead to an imbalanced air-fuel mixture. 6. Mechanical issues. Compression problems. Worn piston rings, valves, or head gasket issues can lead to poor compression and misfire.